What is up, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. We've seen that a big portion of you guys who watch our videos every day are not subscribed. So I'm gonna give an opportunity to you to win a free VIP membership, which will in turn get you automatically entered to win the VIP sweepstakes for this month, which is a Garrett Turbo Kit or $5,000 to spend in new performance parts. So all you guys have to do to get entered to win, subscribe to our channel down below, it's free, and comment below with your throtl username, your free throtl username, and you'll be automatically entered to win. We're gonna be picking the winner in tomorrow's vlog. So definitely subscribe to our channel, give this video a big thumbs up while you're at it, comment below with your throtl username, and check the video tomorrow. So in today's video, we are gonna be tackling the last thing on the E90. As you guys know, if you followed this series, we replaced a whole bunch of things to clean this car up. When I got it, it was in pretty rough shape. We did the new fender, we got the 335i wheels, we replaced the windshield trim, removed the tint, we gave it a full detail, went over all the mechanical systems, fixed the headlight, repainted the grills. Honestly, this car is looking really good if it was clean, but mechanically, I need to fix the front brakes because these are really, really bad. So this might be kind of a short video, but let's go ahead and just set the camera down, jack this thing up, start tearing into it. Pretty standard front brake. First thing I'm going to do is remove this little spring clip, and then we're going to remove the brake caliper, then the brake caliper bracket, and then we'll remove the rotor, replace everything with new. This should be a pretty quick job today. All right, so let's go ahead and pop on the new rotor. Oh, before we do that, let's go ahead and degrease this thing real quick. All right, that's much better. Let's go ahead and pop this guy on here. So now that that's in, we're gonna go ahead and clean up all these components. We don't need those, we don't need those. We're gonna clean up these really well. We're gonna clean the bracket really good. All the contact points. Looks like the new kit came with the boot cover, so I don't need those. And we'll be ready to reinstall this thing. Spent the past 5 to 10 minutes cleaning up these little sliders or dowels. So guys, just take the extra time, clean off your parts really well. It's the little things like this that make a big difference as far as how your car drives and performs. And it literally takes 5 minutes extra to clean these off really well, apply some new grease. And we're gonna do that for both sides, obviously. Clean all of our stuff before we put it back in and ensure that it's working properly as soon as we finish the job. Those are the little tips I'm gonna pass off to you guys. All right. Now that we're done with that, let's go ahead, add some more grease, put on the bracket, compress the caliper, and put in the new pads. So the first side is done. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on a complete time lapse for the second side. Now it's time for the first drive in the E90 with some good brakes. I know I do need to do a little bit of I need to do a little brake bed-in procedure. So we're gonna go out 30-40 miles an hour, slam on the brakes a little bit, and make sure that everything is seated in nice. I do not have anyone to film me right now, so I'm not gonna be able to film this, so I will check in with you guys after the brake bed-in procedure.
A few minutes later.
All right, so first impressions are, they're great. They brake just fine. The wheel doesn't shake, which is nice, and it pulls straight. It doesn't pull to one side. So overall, definitely a success. I mean, there's not like some crazy braking performance, but everything works. Everything sounds fine. I don't hear any squealing or weird noises. So I'd call this project a success. Let's move on to cleaning the car and getting it ready for the next owner. All right, well, it's not as good as OC detail as what Daniel did a couple weeks back for me, but looks a hell of a lot better. And now I can safely say that there's no issues with this car. It is ready. So I will put the link for this listing in the description below. If anyone is interested, let me know. All right, so guys, just a quick reminder, if you are still sticking around to this video and you want to get entered to win the VIP sweepstakes for this month, we're giving away 1 VIP membership. All you have to do is subscribe, like this video, and comment below with what your throtl username is. We're gonna be picking the winner in 24 hours in our next vlog. So definitely stay tuned to that. Subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one.
Using throtl VIP is without a doubt the best things you could do as a car guy.
Not only will you be automatically entered in the chance to win cool prizes every month like free air suspension, but you'll save 10% on all brand new parts in the throtl shop, and throtl will price match those parts for you as well. It's a no-brainer.
I saved about $200 being a member of throtl VIP. If it wasn't for throtl VIP, my car wouldn't be slammed the way it is now.
The greatest investment you can make as a car person is throtl VIP. You're gonna get the best discounts on the best parts, and you're never gonna get a deal, anything like it, anywhere else, on the internet, in person, no matter where you go.
I highly recommend getting throtl VIP. It's definitely worth it.